Hello guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Oakley Gascan sunglasses. The Gascan has been around for many years. It's going to continue to be a model for many more years because it's, Oakley's like one of their best sellers. So they're always introducing new colors. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 different colors. They're all going to be polarized, but there's like a crazy amount of colors on these. I think currently there's like 25 colors right now, and then you can also get custom made ones with your prescription. Alright, so we're gonna just randomly. Alright, so this one, it's gonna be the polished black frame with the Prizm Deep H2O polarized lenses. So it's gonna be like a blue mirror lenses. With the Gascans, the model number is OO9014. Technically that's the model number for the Gascan, but there is also like 5 or 6 that has like just 5 numbered model numbers instead of the OO9014. So just so you know, it's gonna be like 58-083, but it still can be a Gascan. I don't know why they did that, but that's what they did. So this particular car is gonna be the 15, so 15. Alright, so let's take a look inside. So all these come with is they're all gonna come with the Oakley manufacturer's warranty booklet. It's very standard in all the Oakley sunglasses. Then it comes in the Oakley cloth/pouch case. Unfortunately, there is no hard case for these. You can buy it separately, but they do not come with it. Just the bag, which I think is kind of a bad idea from Oakley. Because they're not completely cheap. So it's like, why shouldn't it come with a hard case? Yeah, but anyway. It's just another way to get you to buy a case, extra money for them. So it's gonna be, so this one is the black. It is a shiny black, as you can see here. There is a sticker that says the Prizm Deep Water Polarized, which is kind of confusing. Is it? Yeah, I guess Prizm Deep. It doesn't mention the H2O, but so it does have like a light blue mirror. It's gonna be brown lenses with this one. So these are for men technically, but women could wear it if they wanted to, but it was intended to be a men's frame. So there is the Oakley O icons on the sides. On this one, it kind of matches the blue on the lenses. It is like a metallic blue. Alright, so inside of the frame, it's gonna say, come on, alright, it's gonna say OO9014. That's the model. The color code is 15. The sizing is gonna be 60, so it's 60mm lens width, 15mm bridge width, 128mm temple length. So from here to here is 128, but technically it's longer because they don't count this part, so it's gonna be longer. But technically the temple is only 128mm. But it is a wrap frame, so there is extra space here. There is no rubber on the nose pads. It's just going to be the plastic. The whole frame is plastic. So with this, I'll talk about the sizes in a second, but just a few more angles so you can see it. Also, it does say Gascan on the sides. There is nothing on the other side except the CE. right there. Let me show you. With the hinges, it's not spring hinges, so it doesn't really stretch that much. Alright, let's go on to the next one. So this one is going to be the focus. Alright, so it's going to be the matte olive camo. So camouflage. The lens is the Prizm Tungsten Polarized. The code on these is, the same, the OO9014. The color code is 51. Alright, so let's take a look. So the same thing, it's gonna come with the booklet. I mean, these will be cool, like if you're gonna go hunting or something, and if you want to match the woods. So it is a camo. They call it the matte olive camo. It is a matte finish, also plastic. The icons on the side is I would say bronze, and the lens color, they called it the Prizm Tungsten, basically brown. They don't always put this sticker, they forget it a lot of times, but it does have, like, if it's has the P right there and then the tick, that means that it's polarized. But they always forget that sticker, and they're also saying it's RXable. So I mean, I really like this color, and I especially like the color combination, especially with the Oakley O icons. It does look really, really cool. So I was gonna say about these sizes, like, it's technically 2 sizes, but it's really only one. So I explained, it's 60mm lens width, 50mm bridge width, 128mm temple length. But technically, a couple of them do come in a 61 eye size, but all the rest of the measurements are the same. 15, 128. So I don't know why there's that extra 1mm. I mean, technically it's going to be 2mm difference width wise, but it's such a small difference, like it's not noticeable. But the majority will be the 60mm size. With the sizing, I'll probably say it's like it's like a medium, so it will fit most people. I mean, definitely if you have a small face, these might be a little bit big on you, because it's kind of, yeah, I mean, it's a medium, so it'll fit most. But if you have a large head, these are tight. Like on me, just tight. I wouldn't buy these. Even though I like the look of them, I have to choose something bigger. Also, I didn't kind of show you, but it does also say Prizm P on the lenses. P for polarized. On the inside, it reads, so it reads OO9014-5160. See, like, it's kind of annoying with the Oakleys. Like, before the coding used to be just like with the -51, but they keep putting the 60. That's technically the lens size. You'll see here, 60, then 60 again. So some will just say 50, So technically, the color code is 51. But the model it says 5160. I hope I explained that right. But also, these do not, they don't say where they're made. On the back of the box, it does say assembled in the USA, but most likely this was made in China. I mean, a few of them do. I mean, other models will say, made in USA. But if it's assembled in USA, like, I would assume assembled just means they put the temple on and then put the lenses in. But the rest would have been manufactured, most likely in their Chinese facility. Alright, so on to the next one. Alright, so this is going to be also a matte black. It has a slightly different lens. It has the Prizm Sapphire Polarized. The code on these is going to be the same model, and then it's going to be 50 or 50, 60. I don't know what's on the frame. I didn't look beforehand. Again, all the same stuff. Also, it does say Prizm P on sides. The icon on the sides is kind of it's kind of brondish, but you know, much lighter than the other ones. It is a matte black frame. You know, it's a simple color combination. It has so it's the sapphire lenses, so it's basically, it's kind of a blue purpley mirror lenses, and then the lens is going to be green. So let me show you here. So on the frame it does say the color code is 5060. Technically it's just the 50 part, and the 60 is the lens width. Also didn't explain, the lens is going to be I think it's polycarbonate, so very, very lightweight. Overall the frames are quite lightweight, so you know, it will be pretty comfortable for all-day use. The prices for polarized retail would be roughly $153 to $173 dollars. I mean, you can find it cheaper online, but that is the retail cost. So is it worth it? I mean, if you like Oakleys, these will be on the cheaper end. I mean, overall, like the Gascan, like, I mean, they kind of feel like cheap frames, but you can tell they are very well made. It is high quality, but you know, it is, I mean, it feels cheap because it's, you know, basically plastic and lightweight, but it's not cheap. But you're gonna be paying mainly for the name. That's like everything. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Please hit that subscribe button. Alright, have a good day, guys.